Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you about BODMAS rule. So BODMAS rule is used to solve the mathematical expressions which consists of operations. So according to the order of operations we have to solve the mathematical expressions. So BODMAS, this BODMAS stands for B stands for bracket, O stands for of or orders, and D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So according to this order, we have to solve the mathematical expressions. So we will see one example. I have taken this expression. You can take any mathematical expressions and you can solve that expressions according to the BODMAS rule. So first BODMAS rule, what does it says? First we have to solve the bracket expressions. What comes inside the bracket, that only we have to solve first. So inside the bracket also we have to see the expression, we have to see the operations. So inside the brackets there are two operations are there, one is plus and one is into operation. So what comes first operation? First comes brackets, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. So according to the BODMAS rule, first we have to do the multiplication. So first we will do 3 into 9, then 3 into 9 27, and we have to add 27 to this 23. So this is 23 plus 27. So we have to add this two number, that is 23 plus 27 is 50. Now we have to remove the bracket. So it will become 20 into 50. 20 into 50. Then next BODMAS rule, what does it say? After the bracket we have to solve the division. Then so 100 divided by 20. So 20 goes to 100 5 times. So 5 into 50 plus 7 into 8. So there are the operations, that is into, plus, and again into symbol. So 5 into 50 is 250, and 7 into 8 is 56. Now here only one operation is there, that is plus symbol. So we have to do addition of this two number, 250 plus 56, that is 306. We will see one more example. This is my expressions. So I have taken this expression where there is two brackets, and in this two bracket we have to see what are the operations what are the operations there. So first in the bracket you can see there is division operation, then multiplication is there, and then addition operation is there, and in the second bracket minus and multiplication is there. So in the first bracket, according to BODMAS rule, we have to do the division first. So 75 divided by 15, and then here 5 into 5. So 75 divided by 15 is 15 goes to 75 5 times, and into 9 plus 5, and in the second bracket 35 minus 25. So in the next step 5 into 9 is 45 plus 5, and in the second bracket 35 minus 25 is 10. So we have to remove the bracket, and after removing the bracket we have to see what are the operations are there according to the BODMAS rule. So after the bracket we have to see the operands, that is division operands comes after brackets. So 100 divided by 20 into 50 plus 4 into 2 into 10 divided by 10. So 100 by 20, that is 25 times 100, 5 into 50 plus 4 into 2, and 10 divided by 10 is 1. So after division we have to do the multiplication. 5 into 50 is 250 plus 4 into 2 into 1 is 8. So 250 plus 8 will be 258. This is our answer. So solving any expression we have to follow the BODMAS rule. According to the BODMAS rule only we have to solve our expressions, otherwise we will not get the correct answers. So we can follow this BODMAS rule in the algebraic expressions also, and you can solve number of problems. Thank you.